Dreamy Haze Film Grain Photo Effect on Photoshop free tutorial. Drag on the image that you want to use into Photoshop. Click on the main image, type W, and click Select Subject. Right-click on the image, Layer via New Copy, and you should have a new copy like so. Click on the image, go to Filter, Blur, Box Blur. Do this 3 pixels. Go to Filter, Noise, add noise, 8% uniform, monochromatic if you would like. We'll keep it at this. Next, go under and click the circle icon. Select gradient. Under gradient, click the drop down and scroll down until you see neutral and select the third option and click OK. If it's underneath your layer, then drag it all the way above and then click the drop down arrow right here under layers panel and click darken. You can change the opacity if it's too much of an effect by dragging it to the right. We'll have it at 80%. Next, click this and then click curse and click right here to create a point and click right here to create a point. Drag this down, adds more of a contrast punch. Drag this up, it adjusts the highlights. Click or select our image one more time, go under to filter, add in another blur, motion blur, 90 degrees and 3 pixels. Click OK. This is the before, and this is the after. Check out the playlist and subscribe for more videos like this.